Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use guest mode in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Guest mode allows you to browse the internet without saving your browsing history, cookies, or any personal data on the computer. This is especially useful when you are using a shared PC or when someone else wants to use your browser. So let's get started. First open the Brave browser on your computer. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu, click on open guest profile. That's it. A new Brave window will open. Now here is something important to notice. Even though you are using guest mode, Brave may still show private window at the bottom left, but don't worry. To confirm that you are in guest mode, click on the profile icon again. Here you will see that it says guest, which means you are browsing as a guest. In this mode, Brave does not save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. After you close the window, you also will not have access to your bookmarks, saved passwords, or extensions. Once you are done browsing, simply close the window. All your browsing activity from that session will be automatically deleted. If you want to return to your normal profile, just open Brave again. Guest mode is a simple and effective way to browse privately without leaving any traces on your computer. So that's how you can use guest mode in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.